Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apple gift card on FIFA Mobile. So let's get into the video. So firstly, what you have to do is if you only use for your in-app purchases, like in FIFA Mobile for any purchases, so simply what you can do, you can just add your balance from your gift card to your Apple ID. So to do that, you just need to get to your App Store. So open up your App Store and then go to your profile, hit on your profile on your top right, and then click on redeem gift card. So click on redeem gift card, and here you have two options. Here you can either use your camera and take a photo of your gift card, or you can manually enter your gift card code and everything, all those details, and then just redeem it so that you can get the amount from your gift card to your Apple ID. So once you've got the balance on your Apple ID, then you're all good to, like any other in-app purchases, you can simply make in-app purchases on your FIFA Mobile. So if you open up your FIFA Mobile app, and if you wish to make any purchases, you can simply go for it and then select do your purchase, and then you can, for the payment, you can simply get it done through your App Store. So in that way we can use our gift card, or you can use our gift card through the App Store. So that's how you can use it. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.